This 2023 Grech RV Turismo ION 4x4 is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grech RV is 19 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, smoke detector, water heater, awning, LP detector, TV, stovetop burner, external shower, and 16 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Grech RV Turismo ION 4x4 is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.